3.2 on the agenda is consideration of additional remuneration for chairs of committees.
Again, Mr. Chairman, I haven't, Your Worship, I haven't got anything further to add to this.
So the suggestion there that we make no change or makes no proposals for any changes at this stage.
Yep, but certainly can be reviewed at a later stage if necessary.
Yep. Chairs could possibly have, quite a heavy workload there, so perhaps we just see how the process goes forward, just to see what the workload is like. But obviously, I respect the chairs. Will be, it's quite an undertaking. So we will just leave it as it is at the moment, I think, is the suggestion. Councillor Rankin.
Can I just say that we are unusual in not paying an extra amount to our chairs, so I think it's good that you review it at some other time, because most organisations do, because it is a huge workload, usually.
We'll note that, Councillor Rankin, thank you. Appreciate that suggestion, so we'll review it perhaps next year. Yep. Councillor Hickling.
So it's been recorded that we may review it in the future.
I think in the perhaps 3 or 4 months into the triennium.
Okay.
Just to see how the workload's panning out.
Okay.
Because they are busy. Some committees are busier than others, and we're just going to. I think it's only fair on those chairs that we look at that workload if it's taken up a lot of time.
I appreciate that, Your Worship.
Thank you, Councillor Hickling. All right, recommendation just there at the moment is moved by Councillor Kingi, seconded by Councillor Rankin. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Against? Carried.